Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a natural makeup tutorial. I'm going to be focusing on my skin and nothing much on my eyes because I do have a eye infection. So I want to leave that alone until it cures. Yeah, we're just gonna clear out this area. This is like the hot mess express area that I have to deal with because of pregnancy, but it's okay. In the end, we'll have a lovely baby boy that will drive me crazy for the rest of my life. But you know, whatever. Life throws you curveballs and you just gotta reach out and, you know, try your best. If you guys are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. First off, I'm going to prep my face with some Prep and Prime from MAC. And this is basically to help me, you know, feel fresh, rejuvenated, and just wake up my skin so that it could be like ready for the beating. I'm gonna start off using the Tarte Shape Concealer in the color Light Neutral. Because this area is so intense with the acne, I just wanna focus on it first and make sure that it's like covered, okay? This is major cover up for the chin area. And I don't wanna put too much in the forehead, etc. because I feel like sometimes it could be too much, too white, and so it's like ghost looking. Anyway, so using my MAC brush, this is the concealer brush. This is very, very nice. I just got it. It's in the style MAC 170, and I feel like this concealer really gets into the nooks and crannies and blends really well. Blends like a dream. I'm not gonna focus too much on the eye, like stay away from there because I don't wanna irritate it. So just the outer parts of my eyes, just dab, 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 dab. Very light, dab, 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 dab. So with concealers and foundation, whatnot, you wanna dab to get the full coverage and swipe to get lesser coverage. I tend to dab on my nose more because I feel like I need the most coverage there. And then on my cheeks, I swipe because I don't want to look too cakey. And I don't think there's much to cover up on my cheeks. It's pretty much doing really well during this pregnancy, so that's a good thing. That's a plus. Give me something. Okay, right here, definitely need to dab because all that ughness and acne. I mean, it's not like pregnancy gives you a lot of acne. It's just, it grows all these bumps and you're wondering what's underneath all those bumps. So you just go in ham and attack your face, and then all of a sudden you can find what's underneath your skin, which is a hardened white buildup. I don't know. It's like weird. It won't appear unless you take it out. So you can leave it alone and have bumpy skin or go ham and dig it out. It's like digging out for like lumps. You know what? My bad. This is not a concealer brush. This is a foundation brush. The concealer brush is this smaller one. I mean, they're basically the same, but I'm mistaken it. Pregnancy brain. Anyway, this one is for your foundation and this one is to really get into the nooks and crannies of your skin. So this is the concealer brush. But this one works just fine too. If you really want more detail, then you use this one. Oh my goodness. It's okay, they're the same, just mini size. So like some areas, you know, where it's a little bit darker, then I can really focus and cover up. So this is the MAC 270S concealer brush. This one's concealer. And then once again, for full coverage, dab, 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 dab. Next, I'm going to snatch my nose using the Burberry face contour right here. You can use this to contour your face, your jawlines, your forehead, whatnot. So I'm just gonna focus on my nose because this is very minimal makeup. I don't wanna do too much. Very light and very simple. So draw 2 lines from here down. This is a cream contour, so with cream contours, you kind of have to use a beauty blender to blend it out, or you can use a brush. I'm gonna use this concealer brush, and I know that some people say you're not supposed to use it because it's kind of big and bulky, but for me, it works really well. And especially since I just used it for the concealer, it has some residue of the concealer on it, so it kind of blends out with the contour really well and mesh everything together. So yeah. It's a 2-for-1 brush, contour brush and a concealer brush. So you guys can see it blended out really well, very natural. And let's move on to this side, blend that out too. Very easy. I just discovered this brush and I've been using it since. It's really simple. Sometimes with beauty blenders, it could get really messy and it's kind of big and bulky. So this is like really small and you can really focus on blending it out even more. So there you have it, my contour nose. So that's my secret. No nose job, guys. Now we can use the beauty blender. I'm gonna use this to bake my face. Right here. Get the Fix Plus and spray it, and grab some loose powder. I'm gonna use my La Prairie translucent powder, and then go ham on my chin area, because that is just the area I want to focus on. It's just so hideous. Ugh, I can't even deal with myself. Okay, I'm gonna go up here underneath my eyes as well, on my nose. This is the problematic area. It gets all oily, it gets like greasy, lots of stuff that happens throughout the day that you don't know. So you want to make sure that it's like stamped and cemented in. While my skin is being baked, I'm going to focus on my eyebrows and give myself some expressions. You know I don't have any eyebrows for the life of me. I'm going to use this MAC brush 263 right here. Very, very nice angle brush, and I've been using this forever. I love it. I think it's the most detailed brush I've used. I've used other ones from like Anastasia and stuff like that, but it just really never gave me that sharp detail that I need. So I just go back to this one. And I'm using the MAC Rune and Espresso in one. These are eyeshadows. So blend them both together. Fill in my eyebrows. Very lightly. Like if I put more pressure, then I'll get more. But I want to go for a little bit more natural look, so I'm going very light on the pressure. That's the key to a lot of makeup, because if you want it to look more dramatic, you would have more pressure, give it more color. For softer, it is a lesser pressure, and then you just focus on going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth until you're happy with the outcome of the look. So I could use this color and it'll come out looking natural, and I can use the same exact color and come out looking dramatic in the eyebrows. So it really depends on your pressure and the application. That's a secret. So don't be buying a bunch of colors and being super extra, because you could really mimic the color by application. Eyebrows are done. I'm gonna wipe off my translucent powder. This is also gonna help with the softening of my eyebrows. Just brushing the powder over the eyebrows a little bit, and then brush everything off your face, all the powder that has been baking. To top off the eyebrows, I'm gonna use my Anastasia brow gel in the color chocolate. This is gonna give it more of a natural look. You can see all the hairs that I have on my eyebrows. It's very little, but just, you know, coat it with this and you can see that you can separate the hair and make it stand out. So it doesn't look like I have just filled in eyebrows. I have some hair too. Next up is bronzer. I'm gonna bronze my face, give it some warmth, some color with the Hoola bronzer and my Hakuhoro brush in the style S103. So I like to contour my face with a powder one for natural, but if you wanna snatch your face and make it more like defined, then you can use the Burberry face contour that I used earlier on my nose, and that will give you more of a defined look and focus on certain areas. But for natural, I wanna keep it very, very simple, soft, and you know, sweet. Give myself a little chin contour. They call this the butt chin, Gaston chin. Next, I'm going to contour my nose again, yes, again, but with a powder contour just to give it more of a defined look. This is kind of like to set the contour. Like you can see that I've done it already, but I wanted to, you know, really, really like make sure it's super snatched. I'm using my brush 242S from MAC and my Kevin Coin contour right here. Go lightly. This brush is really nice because it feels like it's picking up enough product, but it doesn't look very sharp when you apply it onto your face. So it blends out really, really well. So that's why I like it. I used to use the angle brush, but that one was really hard to blend out. So this brush I found, and it has been a miracle. I mean, I use the other one, it's just fine, but it takes a longer time for me. So time is money, and I gotta get like it done quick these days. Especially with the baby coming, there is no time to sit around and contour back and forth, back and forth. So you can see it's a little bit more defined on this side than this side. So I'm gonna go over on this side and do the same thing. I like to connect it to my eyebrows into this area as well, just so that it gives me a more definition. So I'm gonna use the same color right here that I used to contour my nose, and the same brush, and just slightly put it on my eyelids just to give it some color. It's a very, very soft color, so very easy to use, and it feels very buttery as well. So that'll give me more definition into my eyes, because right now it's just a blank canvas, and especially I don't wanna add anything like eyeliners and stuff. I just wanna give it some depth of fields here. Next up is blush. I'm going to use I'm Not Blushing by Patrick Starr. This is also by MAC Cosmetics. It's very nice because it has a nice pink color and also a brown, so you can blend it together to get that warm tone. My cheek blush right here, and it kind of gives you a slight sheen, especially on this side. This color gives you very subtle sheen just to bring some shine into your life. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. I hate doing this. This is my least favorite process because I just don't have any, and it takes me forever to like push it up and it never stays curled. Like I could just hold this for a day and it'll fall out by the end of the day. So that's why for me lashes are so important, and they really bring out your eyes and have that pop touch to it. You always want what you can't have, so but yeah, I do have some lashes from my lash line. If you guys are interested, you can order through me by emailing me using my email unmin@unmin.net. Did you guys see that? That's just pathetic. There are no lashes. For lips, I'm going to use this color right here. This is from Galactic in the color Bashful. So very, very light, not too crazy. Such a pretty color. It's like a rosy, girly pink color. Last step is to highlight my face using the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop. This is my go-to color every single time because it's very soft and very natural, and gives me enough shine for a simple, everyday kind of makeup. All right, I'm using the Hakuhodo S127 brush. Bridge of my nose right here, and then my eyebrows, the eyebrow bone. It's a must. To seal it off, I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime. Start and end off with this stuff. Lock in everything and just complete your look and just make you feel so accomplished, especially with a burst of like. So this is my final look. I mean, I didn't focus too much on my eyes because it has crap on it and it's infected. I do have a pink eye, and so I wanted to gather myself together for a meeting today, and the best way is to go with the natural look. Just focus on my skin, make sure that my chin is in check, and yeah, this is my final look. I hope you guys like this look. It's a very natural, everyday kind of look if you're like on the go and you want to rush out. It's really quick. This tutorial is mainly all about clear skin. Especially with pregnancy, there's no way to avoid the acne, so makeup is a miracle worker. And since I don't have my pregnancy glow, and I don't think I'm gonna get it like everyone says you're gonna get it during your pregnancy, I'm just gonna create it, okay? So this is my pregnancy glow natural makeup. Get your skin in check look. All right, so thanks for watching today. I hope this tutorial helped. If you guys have any questions, concerns, just let me know. Sound off below, and leave a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible, and let me know what your thoughts are. Was this easy? Did you guys try it out? How does it look on you? Does it look crazy? Does it look cute? Let me know. All right, so see you guys next time, and if you guys are new here, once again, join me on my journey on my platform. Press that subscribe button right there, and also turn on your notification button, because sometimes you'll subscribe but you won't get the notification. You won't get that I uploaded a video because that button, that bell is not on, so be sure to press it on right there. All right, so see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.